Tara and Tuffy slice through a sapphire sea, coral castles glowing, alive as can be, stony corals, tiny and tough, stacked skeleton towers, smooth and rough. Barely 1% these reefs so small, yet a bustling world. It welcomes all. See those butterfly fish with wings of light, and parrotfish sparkling, colours so bright. A clownfish peeks from its anemone cave. They team up together, learn how to be brave. Coral shelters the coast from waves that pound. Fish call it home. Nursery grounds abound. Dolphins appear, spinning in glee, chattering, clicking, as playful as can be. Echolocation guides them through the dark, whistles and clicks, a dolphin's hallmark. A shipwreck waits, history's hidden trove, sponges and crabs in each twisting alcove. Tara beams, let's keep these waters blue. Every small step it matters, it's true.